Your lender wants a portfolio update. Your business partner needs to see the numbers. Your investor's asking for a report. You could export a PDF, attach it to an email, and hope they read it before the figures change. Or you could send them a link. Finance Magnifier's investor dashboard lets you create a live, branded, shareable view of your portfolio, accessible to anyone you choose, with no login required on their end. They see your portfolio financials, rent roll, cash flow position, debt exposure, and risk score. All live, all accurate, always up to date. You control exactly what they see, company-wide or a single portfolio. Set the date range. The link does the rest. No more stale exports, no more back and forth. Just a clean, professional view of your data, on demand. The investor dashboard is available on the Magnification plan. Finance Magnifier, your portfolio, presented the way it deserves to be.